So what I've got here is I've got a few masks in my hand, and we'll do a couple of tests. There's a bunch of different tests you can do, but I'll focus on a couple of them. When you're looking at your masks and you're seeing what kind of quality they are, you definitely want to take one of them if you're concerned about the quality, open them up, and make sure that you do actually end up with 3 layers, that you have a 3-layer system here. I'm going to try to, they're held together pretty well. Let me see if I can pry them apart and make sure. So there's 1 layer, 1 second there. Yeah, so we've got 3 layers here. 3 layers in this mask. And what we'll do now is the second simple test I want to do is I want to make sure it doesn't catch fire. So if this is working as it should, you'll probably see it melt a little bit, but we shouldn't be able to get a flame from it. And that's some of the requirements for a lot of these medical masks or to pass certain certifications. So let's give it a try. So it is melting, but I can't get a flame going, which is exactly what we're looking for. Yeah, even with that, I got to be careful with that melting and falling in my hand. But yeah, so that's pretty good. That's a good result. The other quick thing that I want to do here, other than that, is I want to actually test to make sure it's holding water. Because obviously when you're coughing, you're sneezing, or somebody else is around you, you don't want water droplets or mist to be traveling through this. So a perfect ultimate test of that would be pouring some water in here. Let's see here. Okay. So if you see that, there's some water in there, slushing it around. And I'm going to, oh, it's pouring out the side, but not the bottom. The bottom is completely dry. There's nothing coming through the bottom. So, yeah, and then if we pour that out, you can see. So that's a pretty positive result too, but these are some of the things you can do to make sure you're not using something that is fairly low quality or that won't protect you from water droplets.